just got to the airport, and yeah, now we gotta figure out where exactly we need to go to check in and get our tickets. So yeah.
Yeah, your camera's cute.
So we woke up late and didn't get breakfast like we planned on getting before we left the villa, so we got Starbucks. But it works, it does the trick. Rachel got a quiche, and I got a muffin because I really like muffins. So our flight's been delayed, it looks like. It said late arrival 11:25, and our flight's supposed to leave at 10:50. So yeah, we'll see what happens. At least we have a nice view waiting for our plane, so that's good. Now we get to board the plane, yeah! Only 35 minutes late, but it's cool. We're alright. Nowhere to be. Let's get on this plane. So we come to realize, we're on the plane now, and we come to realize when we check in at the counter, we always end up with like an exit row, because I'm so tall, I'm pretty sure they just subconsciously go, okay, this dude needs an exit row. But when we check in at a kiosk, we normally get kind of crappier seats, and we also don't get set together, so check in at the desk if you can. And we're on the plane now, so it's awesome. And we made it to Jakarta. Cool. Now we gotta get our bags, gotta get a taxi, get to our hostel, and get some food in there because I'm hungry. We're leaving now to head back to the Philippines. Yeah, I'm tired. Hopefully we woke up in time and got around in time. Hopefully I woke up in time so we can beat traffic and get there on time. So yeah, let's get a grab. So we made it to the airport. Yes. So we made it to the airport. This is actually really nice. The international terminals I've found are always pretty nice compared to the other terminals at an airport. This is definitely a lot nicer than the domestic terminals here in Jakarta, but it's cool. We're here early, we don't have to panic, and now we're just gonna find a bathroom and then we're gonna check in. So yeah. So we stopped to get, since we didn't have breakfast and we wanted to get going early, we just got something here at the airport. We got some coffees and some croissant type things. Rachel got a cheese one. We're gonna share a banana one, and I got an almond one. And I'm really pumped. It smells really good. And there's also this other thing they have here that kind of makes the whole airport smell like pancakes or syrup. It's that thing there. It's that thing right there. That's what it is. So we got our tickets, we're checked in. All we gotta do is go through security and then get to our gate. We have time though. Our flight doesn't leave until I think 11:30, and it's not even 8:30, or not even 9:30 I mean. So yeah, we got time, but it's better to be there and wait there and hang out here, I guess. Back to the Philippines.
I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. I know everybody.
So yeah, we're going back to the Philippines. See you guys there. We're in row 3. I've never been this up close up to the front. We're in the hot seats, I guess. I don't know. This is really cool. I'm excited. Yeah. number 3 and number 4 off the plane. I've never had that happen. That was awesome.
That was really strange. That's never gonna happen again for us.
That was really sweet. We're off the plane, like no one's in our way, we got our bags.
We got our good pace going.
Then you have to do immigration, hopefully decently fast. Crossing the fingers, knock on wood. But yeah, the longest flight we've taken in a while, and I can definitely tell because...
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I was getting bored, a little stir crazy by him. So yeah. Your immigration. Got in our grab and we're on our way to our hostel. Life is good. So we just got to our place, we got our stuff down, we got some food, and now since we're in Manila for like 2 nights and tomorrow we gotta do a bunch of work, tonight we're gonna go treat ourselves and see this movie. I'm so pumped to see Black Panther. Like, I've seen almost every Marvel movie they've made so far, other than Thor Ragnarok. I missed that one. I was here in the Philippines, and by the time I got to a movie theater, it was already out of theaters. I missed that one. Hopefully, not watching that one doesn't hurt me with this one. But I'm super pumped to see it. I'm so ready to see it. I'm so excited. There's been so many good reviews. Everyone that I've talked to that's seen it, they loved it, and I can't wait. So we're gonna get some snacks and hopefully sneak those in the theater. We have about an hour and a half, 2 hours until we actually can see the movie. So yeah, I'm pumped. I know Rachel's excited, and now we're gonna walk around the mall for a little bit. So I'll tell you guys what I think when we're done. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. This is the next day. We came back to the same mall where we saw Black Panther. I forgot to tell you guys what I thought about it. We came back here because ATM was here, and then we got breakfast. But yeah, so what I thought about it was that it was awesome. That was an amazing movie. It continued on the whole overarching story of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and it was sweet. The fight scenes were beautifully choreographed. The landscapes, there's a shot amazingly. It was a very good, probably one of my favorite Marvel movies so far that they've done. But yeah, that's all I can say about that. But we're here in Manila for tonight, and then tomorrow we head down to the islands. But today is just kind of going to be a work day and relaxing. Alright guys, it's the next day, and we are about to leave Manila to fly to Cebu, and I'm super pumped and excited to be going to Cebu. I've never been, and this will be a cool experience. So we made it in the airport, and now we gotta check in. And then we want some coffee. So we're gonna check in and then go get some coffee. Yeah, we are at our gate now. Our flight is in how long?
Boarding's at 1:10, so we
It's at
start
1:10,
40 minutes.
40 minutes or so. And yeah, we're just chilling here, and we thought our flight shifted gates, but it didn't. But yeah, so we're here. We're ready to go to Cebu, ready to see the islands. So we got transferred gates, and now it's very confusing and it's very hectic down here. And yeah, I think we're allowed to board, I'm not sure. Figure it out. Let's line up, I guess.
Yeah, because it's...
So, what a surprise, another flight. We got our seats, and I definitely have all the legroom in the world. Relatively cheap flight, so it's not bad. But yeah, we're on the plane, ready to go. Ready to get to Cebu. I'm excited. You excited?
I'm excited.
Alright, Cebu. Finally off the plane. There was like an over delay on the tarmac before we left. Now we're in Cebu, so, and I also mistakenly booked the hostel for tomorrow, not today, so we gotta figure that out too. Fun stuff. I'm happy to be here. So we made it to our hostel for tomorrow night. I am the smart guy and didn't double check the dates on when I booked the hostel, so I booked it for tomorrow, not for today. And they had no free spots open. Apparently a girl came earlier and did the same thing that I did, and she got the last spot, but we wouldn't have been able to get it anyways. So we just booked another place, 6-minute walk, so we're just gonna walk there and drop our bags off because I feel like it's gonna rain. We want to get there before the rain and then get some food because we're both hungry. So see you when we get there.